everyone! Today, we're rolling into the world of sweetness with an ice cream truck drawing. It's easy, fun, and perfect for drawing. And let's sprinkle some joy on paper. Imagine a giant rectangle for the ice cream truck's body. It's like a yummy candy bar but on wheels. Add big, round wheels under the rectangle. The truck is covered in the most vibrant colors imaginable, like a rainbow on wheels. Each color is as sweet as a different ice cream flavor. When the ice cream truck rolls through your neighborhood, it plays the happiest music, like a melody of joy announcing tasty adventures. From the sides, drop down some lines to make the tent that keeps the sun away. It's like magic shade. Add a scallop or wavy edge to the canopy for a playful touch. Towards the front of the truck, draw a rectangle for the driver's window. Add another rectangle for the serving window. Add circles underneath the truck for the wheels. You can draw them big and round. On the roof, draw a big, joyful ice cream cone. Make it look like the happiest cone in town. Draw a heart or any decorations you like on the sides. Let's color. Red. Add strawberry sauce, creating a delicious twist of red sweetness. Blue. Add blue raspberry sauce, creating a delicious dance of blues in every bite. Orange. Imagine a swirl of mango-flavored ice cream, making your cone a tropical delight. Green. Imagine cute little frog decals hopping around the green parts of the truck, adding a touch of whimsy. For the bottom, imagine cool cucumber stripes running along the bottom, giving the truck a crisp and refreshing vibe. Imagine our ice cream truck adorned with a cool and delightful blue color to complement its vibrant charm. Add patches of icy blue around the truck, creating a refreshing and cool sensation. Red for the tent and heart. Picture the tent like a big cherry, all shiny and red, providing a sweet shade for the ice cream treats below. Painted in a deep, loving red, it's like a sweet stamp of love on our rolling treat paradise. Orange. Let's envision the inside of our ice cream truck as a warm and inviting orange oasis. The inside of our ice cream truck is not just a space, it's a delightful orange haven, ready to serve smiles and sweetness on the go. Purple. Yellow. Let's paint the main body of our ice cream truck in a vibrant and cheerful shade of yellow. It's a bright and joyful burst of yellow. Now, ready to bring smiles and delicious treats wherever it goes. See you in the next video.